Hi, family. Today I'm participating in a coffee and beverage bar collaboration. The collaboration is being hosted by A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. After viewing my video, please hit the link in the description box below to view the other collaborators' videos. Stay tuned. Hi, family. Today I have a coffee bar setup. Now, I have my coffee machine already ready to go. I have my creamer and sugar dispensers, too cute. Love those. Now, you already know I use my candle holders for different things at different times. Today, I'm using it as a holder for my coffee mug. Now, my coffee mugs, I picked these up at the thrift store a couple days ago. And they actually say on one side, Maxwell House Private Collection of Fine Coffees. And then the other side was plain. So I added my Pure Elegance stickers to them, and I love the way they turned out. And then I just added my teaspoons inside. Now, next I have glass containers for my treats, or snacks if you want to call them snacks. I have in here my cashews, I have my yogurt raisins, and my chocolate covered almonds. Now, as you can see, I just put decorative stones at the bottom, and I also added just a little bit of bling. I added some silver ribbon around the, thick ribbon around the top, and then I just finished it off with a gold tie. And I love the way those turned out. Another added touch was I'm using bev naps today. They're smaller than your average dinner napkin. And then I placed my napkin rings. Now in previous videos, you probably seen me use these. I actually made these. They are made from a 3-ring binder. And then I went to Lowe's or Home Depot and got screw nuts and added it to them. And I love them. One other added touch, I always have a sign. Generally speaking, I have a sign. Today, I have my coffee bar sign in this silver frame, and it just sets the coffee bar off to me. Not to mention, I have a white petaled flower effect runner to complete my coffee bar. Let me know your thoughts, and even put in the comment section how you set up your coffee bar. And until next time, be blessed.